Oh, did you get that?
Yeah.
Yeah, barbecued. Barbecued.
Where are we going?
We're gonna go around the block.
Yeah, it's quiet in here.
Yeah, it's only rattling because I left screws loose. You have to put those back in. Gotta move the nose real quick out of their yard. A little dirty. Get me all nasty?
Oh yeah,
Get me all sweaty?
it's all good.
I sweat.
It's Florida.
It's hot here. Alright, I guess we gotta get some gas. And we're gonna start a motor, I guess, right?
Yeah,
We got time?
if you want to do it.
Wanna show the chaos in here?
You guys want to see a motor start?
We're stacked up in here.
Which one are we going to start?
I guess we'll start that one. That's a 78 by 94. With a set of 049 cylinder heads on it. Sidewinder exhaust, aluminum case, 44 Webers, real Webers.
Nice.
I rebuilt the carburetor so it could be a real disaster trying to start it. You know, we'll see. I'll try to prime them and see how it goes.
Cool.
We rebuilt both carbs and I think I have everything pretty much ready back there to go. Got the bus bell housing on there. We got a fuel pump back there. All right, so we're out here today firing up the 78 by 94 motor. We built this one a little while ago. You can go back and look at some of the older videos. This is a 78 A&A crankshaft with a set of A&A rods, set of A&A pistons, aluminum engine case, FK42 cam, it's FK46 cam. It's got a set of 049 cylinder heads on it. It's got a set of 44 Webers. I went ahead and rebuilt the carburetor, so I don't know how it's going to run. This is definitely a fresh start, fresh build kind of thing. So it might go smooth and it might not go smooth. We'll give it a try and see what happens. So we can't put it off any longer though. We've had it ready to start for a while. So. Let's see here. She might run, she might not run. Well, she's not going to run. So the customer's distributor out. And you know, I think we went through this with your motor. Sometimes you run into this.
Yep.
It wasn't running when it came in, so I don't know how good these parts are as far as the ignition system goes. So So we'll eliminate the distributor first, and then we'll go from there. This is the old dependable here, baby. Boom.
How long you had that one?
Oh, that's a regular, that's an original German. I've had that for probably 15 years, maybe more, probably about 30 years. Got it when I was about 16, 17 years old. Had it chrome plated at the chrome shop that I used to work next to.
Nice.
This is the one that everybody tries to take from you when their distributor doesn't work. They don't want to give it back. They want to give me a, I got you a new 09. I'm like, no, take mine. And it does make the car run different.
I wouldn't let anybody use it.
Yeah, I built a bus motor for a friend of mine, and he couldn't believe that a distributor makes a difference. He's like, well, I can't believe you don't run so much better with your distributor. Just got a better curve in it, I guess, you know. They've made them pretty, yeah, this is not how you're set up. Hey. That seems like it's way off. Yeah, good luck here.
Oh,
Did you get that?
yeah.
Yeah, barbecued. I was good. Smell the hair?
That'll make a good intro right
Smell
there.
the hair?
Yeah, burn your.
Yeah, it did. Unhook that fuel pump, will you? The red wire, man. There you go. Yeah.
Nice.
That's pointing right toward number one. I gotta have the wires on backwards or something. She's definitely making some spark though.
Oh yeah. It started.
That was good. Nothing but safety on this channel.
What size engine is this?
78 by 94, 2054, I think. Okay, let's see. That's one. That's right. One. Put that back up. Fuel pump came loose.
Awesome.
Dude,
I think so.
I'm gonna have to
Sweet.
fire you if you don't maintain the fuel pump wire.
Oh, is it going off again?
Yeah.
We gotta get a bolt on there or
What
something.
do you mean a bolt? Take it off of there. Give me that. High tech. Just one of them. Moving pump, fuel pump dude again. Halfway sweet, but apparently I was dreaming. It isn't very close. You got that ignition hooked up still?
Yeah, you want it off?
No, I just don't hear the fuel pump running. All right, go ahead and hook it up and